the main characters in the story. Mr. Adam. He is the children's teacher who introduces them to the magic classroom. He teaches them that success comes from values like teamwork and responsibility. In the end, he reveals that the real magic lies in the values the children showed. Sarah. Sarah is eager to learn and always thinks about the group. She promotes teamwork and respect by encouraging everyone to help each other. She believes they can solve every challenge by working together. Omar. Omar feels shy and nervous at times but learns to be brave. With Zayn's support, he finds the courage to face challenges like the invisible bridge. He realizes that unity and friendship give him strength. Zayn. Zayn is calm, kind, and supportive of his teammates. He motivates Omar and believes in the group's success. He values ambition, curiosity, and respect within the team. In a cheerful village school, the children loved discovering new things. One day, their teacher, Mr. Adam, made an exciting announcement. "Next week we will enter the magic classroom," he said. "To succeed, you need to show responsibility and work together." The children were curious and excited. When the day came, they walked through a glowing door and found themselves in a room filled with floating puzzles, shining books, and magical clues. On the wall, a message read, "Only those who collaborate and stay curious can unlock the mysteries." Sarah, who was always eager to learn, said, "Let's think carefully and help each other." Omar, who sometimes felt shy, looked nervous. Zayn, calm and kind, encouraged him, "We'll do it together." Their first challenge was a locked box. They shared ideas and solved the challenge by working as a team. As the box clicked open, a bright light appeared, and a new challenge was waiting. They smiled, ready for whatever came next. Chapter 2. The Power of Unity. The next time the students entered, the magic classroom was more difficult. In front of the children was an invisible bridge. A glowing sign read, "Only those with respect, ambition, and courage can cross." Sarah thought for a moment. Respect means we listen and care for each other. Zayn added, "Ambition means we believe in our success." Omar took a deep breath. "Courage means we try even when we are scared." They stepped onto the invisible bridge, holding hands and encouraging one another. Every kind word they spoke and every brave step they took made the bridge appear slowly beneath their feet. When Omar hesitated, his friends cheered him on, reminding him he wasn't alone. At the end of the bridge, a golden door appeared with a message, "Determination opens every door, never give up." The team tried many ideas, but nothing worked. Hours passed. They refused to quit. Finally, Omar whispered, "Let's sing together. Maybe unity is the key." They sang, and slowly the golden door opened. They clapped and laughed, proud of their teamwork. Chapter 3. The Greatest Lessons. Inside the final room, the children found a glowing book on a crystal stand. Mr. Adam appeared with a warm smile. "You have completed the magic classroom," he said. "But remember, the real magic is not in the puzzles. It is in the values you showed."
It is in the values you showed.
He opened the magical book, and glowing words appeared. Responsibility, curiosity, teamwork, respect, determination, courage. Sarah smiled. "We solved every problem by working together." Zayn added, "We respected each other and stayed curious." Omar grinned. "I had courage because my friends believed in me." Mr. Adam nodded. You also showed honesty, doing the right thing even when no one was watching. The children returned to their classroom, their hearts full of pride and happiness.
Cool. Go on.
From that day on, they promised to use these values in everything they did, at school, at home, and online. They knew that the greatest lessons they had learned were not about magic, but about kindness, respect, and never giving up on themselves or each other.